Hello everyone. From the past 2 days, I was a little bit busy in my own personal works, so can't upload a video. But still, I have given the bet codes for 1xbet yesterday, and all the three bets were won easily with one refunded. Means no loss yesterday, and having a big and good profit. So, and I have posted my winning slips in Instagram. You can check the Instagram profile Crazy All Rounder. In the description, I have given my username and can join the Telegram channel. So today we're talking about the bets and some more important information. If you don't have a 1xbet account or Melbet account, you can still sign up through the description link I have given in the description box. Okay, so let's move towards the bets. So today's bets are totally three bets, and at the evening time I will provide some more bets. It will be two or three bets more at the evening time, and will give two odds and three odds bets too in the shorts. So uh, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get updated. Okay, so let's move towards the bets. The first bet is versus Italy series, that is Hellas Verona versus Bologna. So in this you have to stake Asian total over 2.25. That it was 1.5 odds, but the odds gets dropped, so 1.48 odds are also the best odds. Stake same and equal in all the bets, all the three bets given. Okay, over 2.25 Asian total. Now the second bet is Uzbekistan Premier League, professional league. Okay, so in this you have to stake handicap 2-0. So handicap 2-0 is 1.4 odds. Okay, it's simple bets and is easy to win, so you can stake high on 2-0 handicap. The third bet is Israel Premier League. In this bet, you have to stake total over two goals. Over two goals, 1.4 odds. Okay. The one you can stake high on bets is the Uzbekistan Professional League, and or you can invest equal amount of bets in all the three bets. If you have dare to take the risk, you can accumulate all the three bets. It will go near about 3 to 4 odds. Okay, and be on the channel. I will be dropping some more 2 odd bets and 3 odd bets on the shorts videos, so you can get it easily and you can earn more. And important update is to follow on Instagram and check the latest post stories on that, so you can ask me a question and I will reply to everyone. I have messages pending from past 2 weeks, past 2 days, so will reply everyone. Hope everyone is doing good and be in home, stay safe. Okay, thank you.